warming up to you. Tay, Ruột, Đông, Hãy tu ta mày nghe tu là Tay, Tay, mà có đâu mà đây đâu. Holiday dancers. Now, can I call upon those ladies, especially from Colombia, Brazil, Mexico? Can I call upon you, please? We have a very, very special gift here. Come on. I count to 5. You're here. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay. ¿Cómo estás? All right, ladies and gentlemen, you two have been a good audience, good participation in all our events. This is, so where you from? Mexico? Colombia. How far is it from Mexico to Colombia? Can I have any scientists out there?
Scientists, I think it's more than
Okay. About 10 hours. Is she right? 10 hours from Colombia to
9.5.
8 hours by plane, 9.5 by boat. We want to say you've been an awesome participant in our village. We want to acknowledge your presence here. This one, which one is the furthest from here, Colombia or Mexico? Which one far away from New Zealand? Mexico. All right. Ma'am, we'll give you this.
Black pearl.
This is a pearl from Kora. See, these are beautiful men, young-looking men on that side here. Sponsored this for you. We got one more. So don't go away. We won't go. You come around the back. We'll give you more of yours. But again, from us to you, please accept this from Kora and also of the Kukai people here in New Zealand. It's real. Don't worry. It's not fake, it's real. For that, you're gonna dance again. Everybody get on the painting, sing it. The tree it.
Woo! Wow! Woo! Hooray! Wow, they can do it! Woohoo! Wow!
Beautiful. There's one for you. We'll come back. You stay, don't go away. Just stay with